If you want to grow on your social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, IG, Twitter, YouTube, you should be either a solution to people's problem or you are an entertainer. So I've seen people complaining their social media account is not growing, they are finding it difficult to get followers, they are finding it very difficult to get engagement, etc. And if you properly check their content, you see that they are creating misleading content, what I call misleading content. Now, for months now, I have really done some research using my account, and I've seen that those people who their account grow are either they are solutions to people's problem or they are entertainers. So meaning they create videos as a solution to people's problem, tackling people's problem, or they create videos to entertain people. So either of these two, you must create videos on them. Trust me, the day you start creating videos that give people solution or that make people laugh, entertain people, you break out from the barrier of I don't have followers, I don't have engagement, my likes are poor, no comment on my video, etc. Because the thing is this, if someone comes to your account, the person cannot just follow you until the person gets value on your videos or your content. The question I will ask you right now is this: are there value on your videos? If someone watch your video, can the person beat his or her chest and say, I learned something from your video, or I smiled while watching your video, then let me give you a follow. So don't complain. If you know you are not creating videos that can give solutions to people, or you are not creating videos that can entertain people, if you want your social media account to take a new form, choose to be a solution to people's problem or choose to be an entertainer. That is just the solution to engagement, to followers, to likes, to comments on your content. If you do this, trust me, everything will change.